Hello and welcome to day 5 of the 30-day Yoga and Pilates challenge. Today we're doing a yoga vinyasa flow for detox. We're gonna start in standing mountain pose. Relax your shoulders and your neck. Inhale, lift arms straight up and stretch. Exhale down. Inhale, arms straight up, stretch. Exhale down. Inhale up and stretch. And exhale down. Inhale, lift arms straight up. Now we're going to stretch to the side. Inhale up and exhale. Stretch to the other side. Inhale up. Exhale, stretch again to the other side. Inhale up. Exhale, stretch. Inhale up. Exhale, stretch. Nicely done. One more time to the other side. And release. Now we're going to add some side twists gently. Just naturally move the body side to side. Twist to each side. And hold for a second. Now let's switch the other side. Hold and breathe. And release. Okay, nicely done. Meet me at the end of your mat. Oops, it's not so flat here. Mountain pose. We're gonna start with Suriana mascara B. Sun salutations. Inhale, sweep your arms up and chair pose. Make sure you tuck your pelvis in. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale halfway. Exhale, jump or step, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, down dog. Hold here for a moment. Keep pressing through your palms, pushing hips up to the sky. You can add some lifts on your toes. Lift your heels up, then press your heels down. Lift up and press down. And now step your right foot between your hands. Lift your arms up, warrior one. Make sure your back foot is 45 degrees. Exhale, step back into plank, chaturanga, up dog. With inhale and with exhale, downward facing dog. Hold here. Now you can bicycle your legs. Make sure your lower back is straight. Your hips are pointing up towards the sky. Inhale, step your left foot between your hands. Lift the arms straight up, warrior one. Hips are squared. And exhale, step back into plank, chaturanga, up dog. With inhale and with exhale, take your toes, down dog. Hold here, keep pushing hips up the sky, up towards the sky. And now inhale, jump in or step in. Exhale, folding forward, chest to thighs. Inhale, sweep your arms, chair pose. Make sure your lower back is flat, take your pelvis in. And exhale, Samastitihi. Now we're gonna add some twists here in the Suriana mascara. Inhale, chair pose, hold. All the twists are so good for detoxification. Now palms in front of the chest and then twist to the right, placing your left elbow outside the right knee, holding into the chair pose. Keep breathing. Now for optional, you can extend both arms, placing the left hand just outside your right foot. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, folding forward, chest to thighs. Inhale halfway, and exhale, jump or step back, Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, down dog. Stay here for a few breaths. And now inhale, step the right foot between your hands, lift your arms up, crescent, lunge. That means heel of the back leg is off the mat. Look between your palms. And now adding the twist here. Left elbow outside the right knee. Hold here and breathe. This is the twisted crescent lunge. Optional, extend your arms and place your left hand down outside the right foot. Look at the right hand. And inhale, arms up, back to crescent. Exhale, step back into plank. Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, tuck your toes, downward facing dog. Holding here, pushing hips up towards the sky. With the next inhale, step your left foot between your hands, lift your arms up. Oops, I lost my balance, it happens. Okay, crescent lunge. Stay here, make sure your hips are squared forward. Your front knee is just above the ankle. Now adding the twist, your right elbow outside your left knee. Hold here. And optionally extend your arms. Place your right hand just outside your left foot. Gaze up. Stay here, breathe. Inhale, arms up. And now exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, down dog. Nicely done. Adding a twist here, left hand on your right ankle, opposite arm and leg. Hold here the down dog and enjoy the twist. Now switch. Right hand on your left ankle. Nicely done. Okay, and jump in. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, sweep your arms, chair pose. Tuck your pelvis in, lower back is flat. And now palms in front of the heart center, then twist to the left, right elbow outside the left knee, hold here into the twist, twisted chair. And now optionally for a deeper stretch, extend your arms, place your right hand just outside your left foot and hold and breathe. Inhale, sweep your arms up, and exhale, rise up, Samastitihi. Nicely done, everyone. Breathe, relax your breathing. Now step, a big step, feet parallel, wider than your hips. And from here we're gonna go for folding forward in this position. This is the wide-legged forward bend, Prasarita Paduttanasana. You can grab your toes or just keeping hands on the mat. It is up to you. Push hips towards the ceiling, the sky. And try to reach the mat with your head. Place your hands on your hips and rise up with straight back. Now stretch to the side, stretch to your left leg, open the right arm up and twist and stretch. And rise up. Now we're gonna repeat on the other side, stretch to your right leg, open the left arm up and breathe and twist. Nicely done. Okay, sitting nice and tall. Exhale, folding forward with straight back. And just enjoy the seated forward bend. Paschimottanasana. Lower the torso towards the legs. Keep slight bend in the knees if needed. And now hug your left knee. We're gonna add one more twist here. Extend the right arm, right elbow outside the left knee. Inhale, and with exhale, twist and look back and stretch. And now we're gonna switch. Hug the left knee in, extend the right arm up, grow up, inhale, exhale, twist, place the elbow outside the knee, and twist and stretch. Hold and breathe. Nicely done. Legs in diamond. Exhale and fold forward. You can round your back here and just enjoy the stretch, the relaxation. Breathe. And for the final resting pose, Shavasana. Arms to your side, palms facing up. Relax and enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope you enjoyed today's practice. Go enjoy your day, be good, feel good, stay active. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Bye.